yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV.
Alright, abusia ya mamo aha na ya mo akwaba ene fiada ifrijuada ekosi ene efie ena twedi ampon wode acheye ebubu bosome no a bosome nwotwe ede to so aduonu enson ene eno nti onyame oguso a wode ye kro adwumayefo am bosome adwuma de dodo no ano nyame eya do enche kra nhima katua no ashasi a ebi de drop yo yemfa seda enfama nyame a obosoro na onya abrebo asase se toro bi ho na oda sore ekoba ko onwuma so no ba fie ko onwuma so mako skulu no ba ya na wadwene yo se eye normal e se sa na esi bere enye normal eni ko sa na esi fi se obi eba ko ye no wa ma ekowi akiri na eye nisuo ene wote enisuo no sukwa no enye nisuo a edafom enisuo a etwa ya omu pa fi se na obi de sekan etwitwa ne ba no bofro oja ne kwan se kobra okoye no wa ma obi so kan dofo bi se me tu kwan aba afrefie me nam kwan so abebu efi bo hwe ni mu a the next kwa ba ye ene se asomasi ya mabusuani a ene mu hye konfa no che mu hye kwalebu e na onya kwa nkanhia ama na firi mu eno nti enya normal sa ndi a memfa ne se e normal se o okonkwa de a e we se obeduru ukọ adwuma e so san ba fie se ukọ adwuma beduru fie o makọ school beduru asomdue mu utu kwan ba beduru asomdue mu a na e ya dum bi e na owura bi a enipa nyina da no nkomotie so na wo pa enye yie no wode adom me no mienu emfa seda emfa ma do nya mre na obo soro na obo asase emu nyama nyina oye enso so no hwe ne se ohunu se na eye enti wo ye eya na odinase ama no na ohunu se enye wo nyansa ene onim de na emum edo nyame etumi eye afi no so to asomdue mu se de afi ato se walas ababiu NDC administrator na nyame ya do adwada odin birthday no na kwasi adampo odin birthday no na ese hu se nyame ene waye mfie be di oso nwotwe wala so jana na so a na onyame ena aye sanso ena me VTR aye ne wadwuma mu ha the MCR the whole Ghana MCR a oye tiatia pa kumase nyina de sotwefo ni hia mu a oye fia pa enam ne body ho na yini na aye nkase nko a eye Loretta ono so nyame ya adom a memenda ebai within the birthday enti omu nyina no ye no mu bomu ekase Messiah there abedri fedodo yatena se midin edit Sir Mike aha Kumawood TV dwumadi no sinopi wo hwe ya obetimi asan join wo Facebook Kumawu TV o like no ahye na manfo nya bi ahwe sanso na YouTube enso Kumawu TV ene fi yetenase a ene medi akuafo ho nkomo pa enti wo ekuani a nei nyamre efema me ye ne akuafo mpanifo Ghana National Cocoa Farmers Association President ura ana ne boaten enei otifia sanso na Regional Administrator dema NDC sewala sabebio ono nso ewo ha na Ashanti Regional Communications member of the NPP security expert na afi ohimpon Nana Agri Ishen ono nso etenase na ye nyamre edi akuafo nkomo aban ba ye kuadwuma na sai na AC Kro na sai na Ghana kuafo eti ni suo esu se dodo no a omo edo kokoo no se kokoo no kakra mutimi de ton ye ede ma mpanifo kokoo no abana to kokoo no enso musika na enyamae abana de betuja so atua dodo no a ndiwa wontua wo de no brabonten na bechirim ene kuafo bedi nkomo na ebusa wo mo se de aban kan ye no eno na sa ene tie ana sa nso ene betuja sa fertilizers and kasa kura no na ho aye den pa dada no nso kura no ana ewo ho a aban no subsidize ye de ma kuafo no de be kuafo no je bi nto de aban no nso kura ton nso a sika na wo se ode soso de wokoma omo a mo de fertilizers ne ba omo tumi anya kwan de wofra aban so no na aban no de ka wonya mfa nko ye nam so ema agric minister Dr. Free enso kura bonte be chiri mu se no kre aban no de saka no na nsan ene nte se aban no akotua ebi eno nso yetena si enyamre ne ene akuafo no de ho nkomo situation no se de esi etie yi no free wa okọ nsam no mu no ade se cocoa board benifo de abetudwa se Dr. Edu honorable ore abetudwa akire mu se ukopie mu oh my Ghana enka no cocoa scale no na isisi akuafo ne pa obekọ bu se the diwo se hwano no to cocoa no na scale no miem enti kenen de cocoa no siso a e se ewe e 54 kilos a na mso wa miem nti no na awebe 51 kilos okwa na cocoa krache no wate 3 kilos na free so oye ne saa oye na ho twam na kwani no a ote asuo eboa ama oman no etimi anya bie akwamona ne akoton na etimi atumpon ewi sikasem mu no ene ye nema aka mu no na ye okuafo mum ena mo ekire wo mo enei omo ede scale bia ba eno no ye na hwenye ye unya do so scale ne pa scale na asai aso to twen koto fro eno ede beto cocoa oh my Ghana akuafo mo ni so o mani age ho ana asesen ena esitie ifiri ho a na afi enyamre abawura kuasemu mo beka ya the year 2019-2020 there about ena his excellency the president, I think 2020 ena his excellency the president of the republic na da Akufo Addo eba Kumasi Jubilee Park ena one Ghana kuafo nyina kokofo kosia ye ode tudwa se akuafo so safata se obekọ ma ho megye mu a o mbenya kakra dididida kopum se twedi ampon beto nsa ede afre wo mo ompani ede nsa mitudwa no akuafo ye aye no yoyoyo akoto aba ede ma no na eno no ekire se e wo sa Ghana kwani bia no onya de efe no pension enti kwani be kwa na ho megye mu no na teacher ni anasi ni anaso bi o ya adwuma bi ya tenes net no kwani no nso no aba na ye nhihye egu ho a okokani kokko no a kakra na afi okọ na ho megye mu a anase eduru be bia kwani no entimi ento aso na onkonko afemu bi wa ono nso no ansa no obewu de na kakra busum bi ha no ana mnanom no na eno nso no atimi akoso de ama afi atwam akuafo yi eso mo hwani mu a se omampani basa o se no obedi so ana oni so ama na nsan enche kura na otwe mu ena akuafo hya ase a kokwa akuafo yi omo hya ase a na omo kasapa de te Ghana mampani so omo nyankola dwumadi nso mu die de bo man no so mo twe ho a anhwe na ama man no mpuntuo ene nkanko no entimi ankoso ye fi se ye te kromu na ye sori yakoba no kwene no ant na sabi akurase ho na wanko do ante hesu anopa amfa amma ye nya bi eni Kumasi ha mo aye manmusam se enei nnuane ebo ayeden nya se piafo no mu nnuane no baye no omu dua na nso mpo anto a okwene no no fa ne sei nso anto a okwene no na ede na oye ndi irrigations a mampani obedi ade NPP aban ba omka so mo beye ede ama the north the three regions in the north no akosi sei enei ade se eburo ne bo pa ayeden akuafo ado eburo eburo no kra no omunya du kra na omaton de amayen enuane bo ayeden enka ne afia akra ya hyase no na yetodokono nketenkete ayebo no de mankra dokono semfante dokono se na 1 Ghana cedi a enei ehuri ekọ 150 pesos enema nyina no ebo ya ayeden enuane ho ayeden plan of food and jobs no san na akosie tie na yetenase a na yenyamre ene empanifo sinkunwa dwendwene ho kwampa efa so na oman no the backbone agriculture no entumi influence efrisa me no mienu de se enuane ama na nema boye din a anhwe ya ye nya sika entumi amfa antobi na se empanifo ka no sa so mi no so ekọ kwayi mu a aso no de oha no eketo abi na mum ensensan enua ene hahan kwayi mu no omo ena omo bre pa nti yetenase na yenyamre etumi edi akuafo enkombo obekai se bra na esusu ano na ye no dodo no ho a emfa so pa no munya pa ekoko adwuma mu ene se we nana ne wofa ne maame ne papa bia ekoko na okwa secondary school na yese ye fe bi efe na ekoko scholarship ye de ema di Ghana enei ne pa no bebere ho a omanya kwanya akọ school adu akiri adwuma kese a eye ekoko scholarship ene de omokoye me ne okase ekoko scholarship no se ewo ho ana se afiri ho na afiri ho a ede en na ban no eye ede asa kuafo no anamu etumi aboa ama kuafo no so no omudwumade omu didi aboa oman no eno so etumi apagya se oman no eni anya kuafo ho ne eni anya akyekirefo ho ne eni anya health workers ho dia na oman no ebekọ ne sen ene mentrase bidin ede se mike eye Kumawu TV yenyamre ne yesin konwa etumi edi enkomo amanyosemu nsefoforo mu so no ade se the general secretary edema the MPP John Boadu ede atuja se Benada John Dramani Mahama onama no wakasa nsema waka no oni fact woni meka so oni fact se ni nyina so pa no eni ho no wan se okeka bi sa na obesere no pa se ya no so gina simpi so no wakasa se na ndo na wakofo do sika se odin se sinu bo se ono de se baketa se pone kankan a onya bi da no ono so nka bi emfa ente Ghana fo nyina na nko ontie just in 10 minutes asaso be kasa asem no na nko ontie nsema Ghana fo ebeka atumi ede afa ne ho enti a yensa eka ede efri bakuapem da sebre otuo serebo new jabin na oye oman hene ho de yete ene se nana da ya pansori mfia du wotwe miensa na nana enya ye ene ya brante bi ahye no akonfo ewo ohwim hwidem ano no ewo Kumasi Santimantem ha ya Eric Akwasi Hagan ese ofi Germany na baaye na oba no na ensempi ya bona ba oba enso na yere so agya no depression frustration when me anhye no so akwahye no akonfo ama to na nanom ewo ensiedo eno so eho nkombo enso so ewo efie ha chief imam ene ne kasa mafa ba chirem de enti a omususu se na ehu behia so de sika 50,000 Ghana cedis ekokoma National Cathedral Penifo so monye na omuntimi emfa ensi abansoro emfa emwatwedi ampondo obo so na obo asase ugopiemu ewo Western region kuba kwa tete kupa hwemu kura kire se ho ena mrofo Portuguese fo no ba ye no omudi kan be so eye ansampo ena omufu akwa Elmina ene Cape Coast no eye Axim na enkane masebejani ano ho na eye Catherine Ablema Afeku obi a fer Madam Catherine ono na masebejani ompene kufa do ba ye ne first appointment o man position na obe tourism minister enumu ena onya sika bia na eye Marine Drive sika na waso otumi de hwe ne disa adwuma no o cabinet katen say azin be di kondum 2 billion na fa hokoma kondum fo no na afi o mutumi fa di kondum no na akire Marine Drive yenya sika no a da ko se Marine Drive no azin fo asisika no enya de 2 billion no fa no committee so omuhu bie obakire mu se enye azin nko a ena kondum no mu di ye ensan fo di bi ene ada nkrofofo di belembele ene de ade diska ni bi ko ho ensan oman hene ewula ajefi kwame ono so eda abetuja akirem say in fact say honorable Catherine Mafeku former member of parliament edema evaluate Adimoju constituency in Axim municipality say oman sikadia enya no kore 1 Ghana toku dem kura no we enya bi mabro no bo fupa omo say omo na 7 days na ma bonten a me pacha wo a o impo odi akonwa eburu mfe bi aduanan o me pacha wo a mabro no etna na woni se de beto no enye wo nsam donso aye kuma wo TV me de edese mic me de ka to se kuafo ho nkobo ene ne media e mane ha se ye de kuafo nkobo bi so mu hia pa e wo se timi ediom ho enkobo ye ntwa ye ho na yenye enkrato emra wadwe nkyere no numbers no egu screen ase ene fabra na intimi ento nka wo ye voice note nso a wo ye kuani wo he voice note wo de ofon no WhatsApp one no fa numbers no egu screen ase no na save WhatsApp line na voice note fabra yen wo hawa mo kum matete ene mo koda da nyina no ma ye hunu na afi no mpanifo hwe mpanifo tie na omuntimi entu ho anamo yenye nkrato mra ye ba ye beto aso
animudia me manfo nye bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo o asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akom obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra adwuma me mene da
okay
kwesi da edwoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na fieda wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on 90 da woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye afi no kon no na echi na da so ebia na ne tachere ma afi na ne tini mo ye kete oh ha no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai be ni nyina onom wasa gulu an kasa nkra no wasa twi gulu ka ho me ne wo kasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi o ho na wo de no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kyerɛ kwan no wo be hu no say ebeye mremremre
okay
wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwuru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawo TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu eno sukọ na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri o emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika na ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri nsam utu gold na opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayeden amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayeden amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
Say ya kwanto ne ho hihye pade a eno ani Venisberg Travel and Tour ayadwumaku a Ghana ban ne amanonifo nyina age atomu obo ma wo your birth certificate passport na wadi wanim amwade visa nso domestic and international airline ticketing there we number 1 odo be konkro bi to say USA Canada UK South Africa South Korea Japan Israel China Russia any amanye de Schengen visa di ondwuma nyina so no do kodura amanone a ba bia obeda ene adwuma obeye nyina nso so obepe e de amon adisuafo mu kosua de e wo Canada UK Cyprus Czech Republic Australia Belarus Switzerland Ukraine Russia USA any amanye keka ho nyina nso odem bekwa kodura sumdue mu jojo na odem kodura emra mu sua de no nso osapa dwuma mamu a mo ye dwuma mu hunu ha bia Venisberg Travel and Tour head office e wo Kumasi Santase ne Opokuari school ene de animhwe bekwai odo Tobiriwura bank nchepe Brekum Continental oni Vision Hotel Junction de animhwe freya ne e wo 0242 902 ana 0502603337 Venisberg Travel and Tour wa kwantu hu dadwene edayenso
well all here you say free mo why the den the slower we na fa kokko we film na se dia wa wonu tua wo fa se no mo ye dena ma me di de we na wo yere na mfa nkonko ye diguma na ma me wai
so wa ke busa yenko nkumase
mun ko nkumase
Martin Luther.
Oh, it's been a long time. Oh, yeah.
Missy. Minia, Obra Quentu Yao. Semina na my uncle can any other day. The Penia Smammy. Semina me Padak. Look, Master Camera. Namisa, Chini, Yada Kayi. Someone that's why we need problem cry. Who made this some free to buy better Ghana? And I'm in a confidential. What one animal said to me a day in the promise. And what bread in the capre or do for being a children with one straight casket shop. I look massy labor higher. Me call one man. I know what's me yes, can't say you. You would have been Chawano. Missy Kaya, the man is a family. I saw a bit yes, I mean, ambulance. Maybe some petty everybody done no and come. Ambulance, and you have done only ambulance service into the problem cry. I mean, now, the year is so open as to take a crab with the outwas here. Do not say, who must stay by Pramo. You put them cut down. Some Ghostway casket shops here. You will not come every day to send you moving now. Ghostway casket shop, you will come and say, in front of Newtown, you didn't labor office in the bank. Ghostway casket shop, and we are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Animudia me manfo nye bintina mo ne yira ebinum be from ho se me o ma asofo nso no manya ma asorema akom obi o ho amene wo kasa isko ka chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra ya djuma me mene da
okay
kwesi da ejuoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya djuma na fieda wo beto me yawo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wawo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nanteda woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya afi no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma afi na ne tini enwo ye kete oh ha no chine techere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne ukasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai be ni nyina onom o sa glue ankasa nkra no o sa twi glue ka ho me ne ukasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wodi abra oba bi o ho na wodi no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nso ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kyerɛ kwan no wo be hu say ebeye mremremre
okay
wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiriw enye danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Comewood TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu ena sukọ na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri o emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika ena ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri nsem utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayedin amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tieniye kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
Say ya kwanto ne ho hihye pade a eno ani Venisberg Travel and Tour ayadwumaku a Ghana ban ne amanonifo nyina age atomu obo ma wo your birth certificate passport na wadi wanim amwaje visa nso domestic and international airline ticketing there we number 1 odo be konkro bi to say USA Canada UK South Africa South Korea Japan Israel China Russia any amanye de Schengen visa di ondwuma nyina so no do kodura amanoni a ba bia obeda ene adwuma wo be ye nyina nso so obepe e de amawo adisuafo mu kosuade e wo Canada, UK, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Australia, Belarus, Switzerland, Ukraine, Russia, USA ene ama ekeka ho nyina nso odem bekwa kodura sumdue mu jojo na odem kodura emra mu suade no nso osape dwuma mamu a mo ye dwuma mu hunu ha bia. Venisberg Travel and Tour head office e wo Kumasi Santase ne Opokuari school ene di animhwe bekwai odo tobiri Rural Bank nchepe Brekum Continental oni Vision Hotel Junction ene di animhwe freyane e wo 0242902799 ana 0502603337 Venisberg Travel and Tour wa kwantu hu dadwene edayenso.
Well, our Pia, I was saying, free.
Right. I was here. I mean, sign Emma Makwaba, Uguso, Sinupi live on Kumo TV, and the medical catch though. Se kuya fo ankwa. Yeah, ti kuma se de bebere pa. Kuya fo me twen dey bi kuya fo beka so mako strike for 2 weeks. O de no bae no ngurumurem. Fo mo ba mo nkonko tem fa mba nko twa mfa mba. Na ye hwe se me no mi ni kuma se a. Se ne abrabo ebesi akro. Ko te hesu ahomache. Koda bi aba. Enso ye kire oman no a. We want say I say oh me yo mo film sa. Aba bi aba na kuya fo ne sa. Ine ye nyamre na yadi nkomo omo pension scheme a abana de tu jana 170 saying fertilizers na yade emo subsidy edu bi na minister kwa be tiri mu say a short sikano so cross de konsokura no e ka yade no inkutu ai e no 170 saying yesi yenye new machines bi a ebeboa ama yade abekari kokoo no se de ba yen sisi akuafo se de enkane na kokoo krachefo no esi akuafo no eno so e wonsem akosi saying agriculture input ebi akweni bi opeso large scale otimi Elizabeth mi aka bekre fama ne de abagana no ise no so te sen koko na nkasa no nka ne no ne wade bi a na ye frɛ no sɛ koko scholarship ene eno so wonsɛm enso ete sen yenyamre ne adi nkomo amenchia mi nua no ma mo sɛ hwi oso sɛ hwi de bi so konzaura na mo western region elembele kutukurum tabakurum jampele sikani asem be a wo Ghana ha bia no ye chiamo ena nwumre ekuafo sia yafo nyamre na edi nkomo national president edi ema Ghana National Cocoa Farmers Association eye miankasa mi ofa anane watenase sanso ena security expert ohimpom esan eye amanyoni konfante nya agorokura nana aggression nei wo hwe ne chese no timi say yes okwafu mu pa na wo na president a okacho so kuku pa okay for mo swat nya agorokura inamre na yetimi yedi nkobo misana na akwaba
meje osomewura
ni yabakodi
yankopon na do yesu ye ni na mu bi
akuafo mpempem adom no omo te sen
obunyina ho ye pa na no kwasem ne se adwuma ne yeguso emom ye botom ene
akuafo botom
enya asem kotoma
atabi okaya mi bisa mo I see you TV3 now ha that's myself say akuafo mu oska sa mo nam sa tofu na nam sa na se adwuma na ye de
asem ne nyina ne se akuafo bre enti yante ho anhwemu a ebe ya asem na ohu eti se MPP for no mo be power no ye wura bia na ye frɛ no adubo ahen wono an wotena se no hwɛ no ma ne asetena na no se da bi ese se me ye nhyehyɛ enti na adwene en wo de baaye wanya ya nto hɔ no mu emra na ade no kɔ no wo ye na adwene so obi so mama ade na ye ba arehosem ne se okuni nipadua kon pa na me ne wo kasei wono emu wawu ne ye kɔ so a abesi na chi eno me kɔ so nyina wa enjoy bi enti me hu ne se de ekɔ ni nyina no a sacrifice any day ma te sa asante man heading I strong say ya asante wa mo nku mo ho ama enke nyeyi
sure
enti say yen kokokuafo e wo ho ne no ene me boaten no adaye so a me ni nuanom so so ye no ye pese bamu na kwan bia so ebebamu ene ye just your last blood if you go sa na beboa nso ama oman no ene ye kuafo ye nya so
e ba be di ho nkomo mani so ade hunu a to de bi ha me follow social media na page so na me hu se nyagro edu bi kra de I think newspaper bi a caption ade ba ye na man fa kra na woko ene ade but say o ntwere eyo no mu refi se nya na otwere onye editor right nana Grayson nana kwaba wi aboko de na de wewuram ahene no na guso ewudi no appointment na nyamae MPP for nti de omu yi ade hu yensere omu se nana agri wako regional organizer regional hwane contest bia woni man na bia ye djuma ya party ya muhia no campaign tade na na wonim die no beboaye na eto agba no wi dia first time ka che ne se onya botre second time mi okay se na na nwi oguso onwi beba bye beba administrator de man NDC Asante region bia on oda no se ekọ eba ko ba nyina se wala sa babiu se wala sa kwa ba boko de happy birthday in advance. Don't think say you're ready for your kaipa. Say kwasi there be. Your birthday. Yede nyame asimum. Say 78 on.
78 is a twem na anka ba twem na ado.
Wunya no na ado. 71. Nyame ahira wo.
Nyame ahira na so so ahira wo ba.
Say me drew ha.
Ku say there be na ho.
Oh, we na ho twem.
29th of August.
Ana kwasi be na ho twem. Dabi o. Ene 27 to Sawalas.
Ene 27.
Ai, Refi.
Yo, de ko shele wo ye.
Sawalas birthday. Okra Refi, Mekao. Right.
29th August 1950.
Right. Let me show.
Timi ye Gokus.
Tuhu bibia. Tuhu bi kakra.
Independence 7 years number class 1.
Okay, tuhu kakra.
You recall events.
Yeah.
Kakra,
okay.
Kai. Elias Achre. Na iso ana wo kan no original devil one way branch
constituency no wo yina
1992 and wa ba bisi say 2020
be sampan say emi nyai kana omo obi a wo say odiza obi a no obi nya bibi nti say ai ti na omo hena na right ene ye die akuafo nkomo pa enti memra ne de memuru ana ne enyamre pa ma ebibi ne mene so akire urana ne wadaroma fa ye hyase akuafo ye hyase emfa fertilizer no yenim say ma subsidy edu ebi na akuafo na fresh so am say na eze kwa fertilizers na mane ade hyase we hene is hakudu say munya bi fertilizers no
yo fertilizer adwuma no na say yen kuku akuafo adwuma no aban ana cocoa board owo nhyehyeye bia oye ema yen na enhyehyeye no ohwemu ayen akuafo famu no eye no ma mienu na nkai hia se eba ye wo ba ko ye frɛ no farm support ene ye wo welfare farm support no ye adwuma ni nyina wie na scan ba na cocoa board profit na beba no a we tibi ye frɛ no profit surplus na ko dia to baby eno no de my pollination mass spraying pruning fertilizer inputs ne sa no ma no na enu echi no sa farm surplus na eni de de my farm services ne cocoa extension officers o mu na babe boy ya fasa o no mo training wo mu o mu na chese cocoa dua fa ha ya ne proka dua ne lines Sweden shoot and say cocoa sasabro aba ayinumu enti yentwamu ene saa no enti nkofo nso ye training wo no mu de banaye saa farm support no ene odi ye saa sika no emfiri sabi ye nana adodankwa ebotom ene emfiri ye wura po ahen so botom eye ye cocoa ekuafo na ye sika na ye to cocoa ni bia profit ne na ban reserve no odi amaye hyehyeye no oh yes enti saa hyehyeye no ene wo de mayen a ye de gye saa no ma no enti wo mo de koye saa hyehyeye no de ba senke kuafo ye nyina ye nya bie enso ebeba no wo behwe na sabi ye wura no makese politicians so mo nkura wo man no na o mo de ye na sabi
na o mo de ye den
say o mo che say de wo mo pe
ye kuafo na ye ma mo fertilizers ada na wose ye che maybe jabi
de ti atesa ne se ohun se akuafo no ansa na no ma na beduru ye ho no ne firi mpanyimfo bi ho ne eba titru aban adwuma ye fo te se cocoa board
okay
on ban se cocoa board ansa na ye nsanka de no no mu nim no nkrofo a ese so mu cha de no ma wo mu tie meduru ye nchen no ne bi kura na na asa if you say yemfa aduro te say akate master or the mayania eduru ba bia be ne dipa nwotwe e be che one bottle edu hu ne say ade de dodo no yesei na hwan no na sese woku wo mu ho ne kwan be na ese ye fako yin akuafo na nkasa ye adwuma na ye nsanka bi no na bia na ade no ama beduru ye nche enti se wo busa se na ekwa ne chem ani ade no one ade no ye farm support ye yenia ye botom ska ene wo mu de mayen san hyehye no na nche ye mu no ene kwan ye fa so de bre ho na asem no wo wani beba ahoso no na anche se
ye te se fertilizers na short ya for no be free nya bi ni ade sisi te sen
se be na nsane na se ene na ne muti se auditor general report say fertilizer cocoa body the egu baby ama about 23 million Ghana cedi
23.9 million
Ghana cedi I say I didn't think say then we are see be to say causing financial loss to the state cocoa board muna mo yen hyehyeye mayen na so ko fa fertilizer na the cocoa baby abra ye kuafo ye pa ye adwuma ni yensanka ye kokuafo ye ni ado etitomre bi a ye se o ye smuggle enuro bi dia ko Ivory Coast ya smuggle fertilizer dia koduru o memem se nan se bia be ba bibiri o ya ne ya portion blame na ma ye nia no enti ya ka kire wa ye dia akate master one bottle no eno na minu ya no ya kyeche agu ye ntontram ene insu sachets mu no eno ene ya san boaboa no sese gu ade mu de ko Ivory Coast hoton anasa fertilizer no dodo sen ena yenya ene ye de akọ ade agu kemu akoton eye mpanyimfo na wodi anim no na yeni ano asem na ne se ya se fertilizer na ba ye beba ba beje mo records se de mo famra mo we no beji se we beji se etomre bi a utiye ya wo benya bi etomre bi a utiye anye ya wo nyi bi enti mi se empempi no me hu se koko ku adwuma no e business mi mafuo a ye kese mi nyina me kotoma ade e bi se mi tiye na se mi nya adamfo bi na obema bi a fine me wadamfo ba ko e ba na me ka kire na odi mi din be ko e wo mu ana wotia ye so mu di aba mo nkoje fine na makoje na se mi kodi animu aye gigiri da bi e fi se adwuma na me ye me ya me pepi no mato
I think 2 weeks ago on show eno bi frɛ sɛ omunya bi kura ntokra se de enye free
se kura de ma aban no mfa ma biem
di moye dan na motimi agumu mfo no so
se eno na me ka kire wo se yen Ghana National Cocoa Farmers Association se brebia no ye pese muhu se yate ye ho afiri kokoshi if you say kokoshi abetena se 43 years enya positive impact we ekuafo so Ghana National Cocoa Farmers Association ye buy ya partner with ADB na ye will be there ye friend say afibia no ye said ye betumi siesie yemfuo no ye ne ADB ye no o ma ye bosia kakra na ya chama ekuafo no fi say ye nananom mrewafo no bebre koko no omu inherit from ancestors ne omu nkrofo eti obi ho na afuo kese enuru one plot wo de ma nhweso a enyeyi abrewa yi nso ntimi fa machine mo na chi ko spray ontimi nkotwitwam ontimi nkopuruni enkrampan ne ade no ene yenya ya nhyehyɛ yese saa mrewafo no yona nso akuna manawu afuo no wo de ma nhweso nso enyeyi enti saa na tie de a ye bepe bosia na ya chama ye ho na obi a obinya kakra bia wo de aye enti says can ba yenya kakra na ya ma obi a eduro kakra ye gi eduro kakra na ma osika kakra fi sa abrewa no wo de eduro nko ama na why na bedo afuo na ama no why na betwetwam ama no ne saa no ma ye de saa no ma na ye last 2 years yenya bosia kakra fi ADB and what they starting wo ma ye 300,000 that's 3 billion OCD train wo be my ye tua ya ade nyina because yen so ye cooperative credit union ye tua wi ye no o ma yen 500,000 that's 5 billion and we train no feed ye o ma ye 3 million that's about 30 billion and ye yen kakra kra na ye chema ye ho na ye di ye hu ni on say akuafo odi sika ma wo mo ye say ye training eti eku na asiesie ye nuanom ɛna yɛbɔ mmɔden sɛ baabi a yɛ office wɔ biara no yɛbɛyɛ nhyehyɛeɛ na yɛtumi anya cooperative no bi abata ho nti yɛnya bɔ sɛ me ni me boa ten me botom yɛfa managers a wɔ mu yɛ a yɛkuafoɔ na amadi bi etua wɔ mu ka no ma yɛ nhyehyɛeɛ no bie nya ne deɛ na adwuma no kɔ nti ama this year enye sika nko an yɛde ma wɔ bi wɔ hɔ no ma ne sika ne ma worth of 5,000 Ghana cedi nti obi wɔ hɔ no pa bobo ya na de kakra bɛka ho ne yɛde ama wa bobo ya last year yɛtumi ma bobo ya about 72 pieces motorbike yɛma about 250 pieces because yɛne suppliers ne distributors no any manufacturers ni nyina na ye ne yɛsrɛsrɛ wo mu ma tiase ye ne wo ma ye nkakra yɛtuma boa ye nua no mama because ye ni kɔto aban hyehyɛ so koko board hyehyɛ so a ye de ye ɛne ye nsa besi fom enti saa ne ya ye
right abusia oguso Sinopi live on Kumawu TV maka cho se ne akuafo nkomo titu ni koko ɛna yedie yen san enhwɛ the issue of the last time ba ha no na yetom koko no a na sikamba do bi kura ma I think on my show bi kura so sika no nyina aba akuafo no bi okay makuafo ni bi so kura Africa senya no kore so far una da akuafo no ano sa koko a aban toye na sika no emaye no akosi sei
koko na aban ne toye anu ntie start October last year Ukraine ye to koko na si binye sika pa no na edin na baabi obetua no so obetua no sope tot te se de wakota petes ni yebu ma wo no e de saa ye sika no ansa ne ye nsanka no na ahye na ohwa na ye first time as ade we ye experience you se koko de
entiase me nua pedinya to koko as no de tu kwan na to koko se kuyene ne koko akọ na wakari koko no ye 45 kilos no yentua sika ni binya bi
esa basa wo se obekọ me de koko one bag aba wo ye krache se ka otua wo ye ya na watua meka afi obekọ no waka chi wo se sika ni ho no so bi koko no nso ope etu wo de be ma no obede stress wa na ade ama no na wonsa wo de koko na ama no na ukọ o ya brachina etu onu akoye na ala na onya kakra no ama kakra fi se sika no mai eno ode ama no sabo se mayo etie mayen ye ni ye team esore na ye yes studies thorough studies ekoko almost all the communities no ene buying agencies nchen na rewo se ma na ewu ne se oman we se no man koyi a yentumi because say hu say ye wo kabi ma men kabi amamuo mu enti obi aka adwene eboa on se bia na memere ye no be ne nkoyi se wa let me a e bia metuma sesan papa be kono na aye politics o mpese o be ka no kure wo mu obi o se o me de me ni problem kwa kesi nyina enso be kono na ne office no kura ne atum ti se de bi so no ne sa mmea na wo ken ye kon bebre ka gre ne ade wo be kono ya tutu wo mu office mu ampans waji ukoko e be dead when yeska in fact ye kwen ne me de entokwa de se wa wadi tua ye kan ya ba bi ekuduru ye ne se afi de light season light crop ya ye be close and ye hu sa afi de ye tua wo bi sika ma ne saka se si ya me ne o kasa de so obi toku kwa ya close enti wo ye ntua wo ka wo ni asem ka enti se say no koko no se ye go so tete ne nkakra de ye tie no de kwa na crash no ehwehwe num no nya bia fine but de na ye up to light crop no de wo matua na emom afia sa 2020 2021 minua ye bre papa fi se ye sika no se on sabeka koko adwuma no emai enti wunya sika no bulk na nka de aye bibi etua no sope ma sika ni nyina ehye so yense
right me ba ho jo ha me kakra me san ba ho na ya behwe ese ogusu awu nyini oyekuani dokoko wu nyini enya den ya ebe do bi wuntimi enko bio aba no ebe ka se obema mo pension na kuafo no nso no makwa homegie mu agya mu ntimi nkwa afu mu no mo nso monya bi kakra ho nsem eno so akwa sisei nana yes sir kuafo fertilizers wona mu wa ba mu this me pese discussion no out of partisan. But then you discussing holistically what now buying the person where fertilizer a short year do be connect with phone you it be a distribution of fertilizers and so akoya asem and then the issues here that will see meet you
me da se bebe na minchia yahwefo
yahwefo nyajo
ye ni omo ye adwuma enkankan oye enakwa
akunfina kwa afaya omo we
akunfina kwa no nye achemfo ne nkwado nyina fansaman area ho the man of recruit
the head of fire fearful maba ekoba 5
na I will also move de munu anuma wo second powder house nyame ya aduma ochina de obeje wo papa kwan onya ya ho
sanko fu wududo de bia ba mu fufuru
mesre mo pi de nyame so wo kre
na
ohun omobo no ye de ya obetse yen ka
okay
munu opanyini wakasa papa paye na ekuadwuma so de ona na onye hete na yenyene ko na yenyene aba ehun de ekuadwuma ya za oyeten na oyade so a oye wo nipa be ye ekuadwuma so de ya ye ekuadwuma na moya homkapa na nyimbe bi oye ma homkapa de koku no aye kama na ehye koku na ase na bo wakura wo koku na ase na ewo nkuko kakra na ewo mponche kakra na eja ho koku na ase oh my god idu wa na hu de ahomka befi na koku no so hwani ya ono so obama sika abefi nde yenyen to the politics sem na ya bakade ye say ekwadwuma kwadwuma ze mi wombi nti binyim kwadwuma mesim bositi na mama nka sam bi mfa fertilizer sam dem ma menu epanyin oka fertilizer sam hwe fertilizer sam no cocoa board mana cocoa board wo yen de wo ze fertilizer ehwa na wo ze ko koma ehene kwafuna enkane hu de koko no wo oman ni mu koko idua na la na bebre na wanyinyin nti fertilizer no po wonsa kana wo ko gudu a ama ontum abana mbata de mananka o de oba no nti fertilizer samoze za koko board wo hu yin de ekuafo na la ya keke ye ho abom ma ya ye cooperative nti koko board wo hu de ampa mesim ekuafo no akeke wo ho abom no o ya de papa na ekuafonze wasam koto koko board fu wanyima ama koko board wadwuma no sompo nyame na adom wakoye papa kopede wo hu nipa dodo a wakeka wo ho abom cooperative na ono wo hu adwumadza woldi oye ahaban ne size awo a ama wo ma fertilizer ni bia wotum wo ko wo hu nipa dodo no waze mo ho ontre kana fertilizer bogu wo masesa nko na bi bogu a ende idua na la wanyin nti the fertilizer kra guda
emwa
me da wase papa me da wa me nua pe
yesi etwagu ni asan ma usika
me kan sama ba
me busa ho eno no to am yesi etwagu
me kan sama ba hwe anu na oma oba ne cocoa board fu wo yende no sisi anu ma cooperative na wore ba no o ya asem papa on kire bia mo ho ada fide ehen cocoa ekuafo no ya keke ye ho aboma ma fizi ye hia bibia fi cocoa board a obohu no na o de yenya adza wo de yenya na ye de support ye cocoa no cocoa ni begina ne nado wo Ghana na na make sure de ema oba de dam na fertilizer otumi ba on credit fertilizer to me ba credit tamara ye ma fertilizer free e baka ya aban by jeje ro se buy fertilizer ye workfo buy fertilizer mampanyinfo buy it was 2013 and na dem program sam nyina wotwam it was 2013
omu twade ahimu biza me say anda mahama no na omu de makuafo ni free
very good na wodim that time
na ba ye no ye say wafafa omu so fafa
that time na ye nyani free ni mpo na ye ntum nya metric tons ayepe
kuku no
yes ni ye ntum nya metric tons ayepe me nua panyin wa obedi me da say emra oba credit na cocoa board fo wo kire he hyehyɛ pa wo ho no ana masisi aye na 1 million metric tons aye ye nyina ye hu de ampa ba obi wo wa ofi de ai time awaje ni free nti na nkote ye bia na wakoje be system bus oye free na system bus no ogudem na oropro ona nyimpote de system bus na me kwakoje no mi ohia me e bia obehia be ye 4 bus na nso na wakoje system bus e bogu an wote ma say nti
no question
no yeah the use of fertilizer no nko ana say e bia enema bia omo ede gugu akwan mu say bia pruning no ene de esi etwa kuku no de adada ni na egu na yedua foforo all these things are mentioned about but if you say fertilizers no e bia ban no e ba obe subsidize here no and na amanya more metric tons of kuku now I don't get it
any ye come on baby to say ye hwese ye be yi kuku adwuma no ohum say ye hwese bia kuku dua na anyini nti aban ni ba ye nhyehyɛ na ode ba ni say kuku dua ni bi wo ha anyini ufa no se hwi ho no mu a western region ukwa kuku no wo ho na so dua na nyini nti dua ni nkra ntumi nso nti aban ni nhyehyɛ ode ba say debi ye ba be susu wafu a wo efu na wo no se ye ba be susu a enye ye no betena se dua na anyini a ye betwagu aban na afa nka Cocoa board for na yes supervision is na enti cocoa board for penipa a wonim doma machine operators no wotu omoka enti ndua na anyini no na no nyame adom cocoa board for ayi ndua no from the system omu twitwagu otwa na omu twa so a se ne be ya ekom enkode cocoa ni wura ni enti omu susu ekabako bia no no mama bia 1000 cedis I can't remember
ya pebi kakra ma
Western region very good Western region ma bi bako nefuo nimfo wo mu twagu nko nya 1 billion Western region
ya san dua ma
na aban na dua koko na ma no wasan de bode asan sisim e de ama na mom emfie mienu na aban na hwe adwuma no na ni be ko ho hwe adwuma na de ama emfie mienu na fe koko na hya sese so yes koko
na yes
and be wo hono
yes 2 years emfie mienu na so nti ansa na ma aban na dane de ama kwani no ti se me die sei se enyini na entumi nsu ya na ye twagu na twagu a aban no ja storm koko board for just storm no de duro akeka anim so se ne be ya mo plante koko ni bi wo hono mo a ebe no so ne nchen ebe yeye na fe mo de board so asisi se ne make ya so na ni eche ni se sa program we eba ye abema koko na entimi nsu ni na no ye shem inti enche bia no enfie be ye mienu miensa be ba na ye be ko ye nim fie na fie num no na fe koko no Ghana ye nya koko abapa
okay now
am ye gira ye na so
mama to hona say now akuafo no complain say this is the first time mu to koko a aban to mu koko a no nya sika ntuom ka sika no ko yeso tuan so a ngona
me nua pani kasa ye me kan akuafo no hu bi no kwasem ni say ebedu baabi no me nua kan say enibre baaye edu baabi na enibre baaye na semre die onim say omotua sika no bebre na mum ebi na sika no bi wo ha entua ntem hwe koko akuafo no bi so ka ho ni omo to koko kachefo no enso ka ho ena na ma ye akuafo ya ye mobo utia say abai di sika kura ba no abai di sika
na let's can coin
oh de me kire say ebi
at the time one na akuafo no kamu say omusika omkuku akosika mai no let's can coin koko kwa admit say let's can coin
me woni wo fa ebetena afidie so ame ye ka ho asem utia say ena me kan say ampa seta mo no nanso ebi sika no so etimi bai no na afede akrachefo ni binom okokra na onkonkoto no enti kana mekam se me senka me sika enso na krachi ni na otokoko no sika na bedi ni onso na me nkoto no na ye akuafo ni bi so tumi bo besen free akrachefo ni bi hokra ansa
eno de say ho fitete
yes me na meka no se ho fitete nanso otumi bo besen na ama koko sika ne beba no na bi sika no kwa na asa enti ye ka se sika no kwa mba ya o se na me senka me sika enso na me wura fi se okọ krachi no ko bo ni bosia enti e ba ye krachi no so de ate na krachi no so de ate
right
and so ye akuafo no sa de no so eno so wo ho a e ha ye pa
but the masses of farmers no e complaining say be from October last year ebisi be May this year na omkuku abanya to by musika mai
that is October last year
yes ebisi this year somewhere me even at times I think some my colleague be in one of the sister station eka se omu ekuafo no mfa sedam mu mpanifo no the way a omu de ne yedin ahyemu ene ade to bi wo so kwa Ghana no woni ade bi ho so kwa no a na se aban tuntum na wo so a na yede wa kwhye aban fufu ensem because woni abre April right but ekuafo nyina no be ya dwese bi an mpanifo no kwa ansori anka bia ebisi na nka musika no nyamai den na sanse se no baaye o how bi na aban no nya ya na
media ene na me nua pani na o ka kire o se hwe koko kuaye no ene nhyehyɛ fa sikasɛm ho etu baabi a bibi tumi esanka bibi tumi sanka nanso ye na nyame ase sɛ we die empanifo ni na akeka wo ho bom a oni aban esi nkonwa ne ade sika na timi aye den aba
right
sika na timi aba na me fo takra bi
ketu bi na me nkoso wala so
won se kane no na koko bia no se etumi su beye eduonu ne ade na afa bi su tumi su beye eduasa enne nhyehyɛ pa aban no ne koko bodo maye ntete enne nhyehyɛ pa omde aba won se kane no na koko no so flowers etumi su flowers na puragu
okay
na koko no so flowers
ma me ntwa me homra ye ba me ba se wala so na afi egusu ato aso ugusu hwe sinupi ye ba sisia
animudia me manfo nye bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo omo asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akom obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke achi no wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra ya djuma memene da
okay
kwesi da ejuoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya djuma na fieda wo beto me ya wo se me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wawo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 50 years on nanteda woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya fe ne kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne tachere ma fe na ne tini mo ye kete oh ha no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne ukasa o se ne ba no ono matramadol wi jot sabe ko ke abai be ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho me ne ukasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wodi abra oba bi o ho na wodi no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kire wo kwan no wo be ko say abeye mremre
okay
wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiriw ene danta da bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenyamre enwura sunsumu ena osuko na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri o emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika ena ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri onsam utu gold ena opese
onya oguso sinopi we are live on Kumawood TV meaning edit say Mike abejafo ewa eguso din komo koko the plight of Ghana cocoa farmers e won komo na ED fertilizer won sem ye hwe afi ye hwe e koko no kura no say me de kwa say yentwa kasa nka me de ma de ba ro a woto de sika kura ni wanka na wotwe na wotwe mienu fisa me hianti e na makoto koko no ebunu ama no ayi de bi gwa paso ahata ama na wo a me de gubutom de abra wo no krache seto o de oni mu anasa o de woto na dem sika ame ko ba ne sen ena na ma etimi esesa obra indi kuku okuafo nso esu ma menko se wala so na me saba na menko se wala so kuku okuafo nko na edi fertilizers ana edi free ni e ba subsidy ena afi so sika ana okuafo kuku o mo de ko na nso duru se e wase omusika e ba na aye bibi ho e hon komo ene de asase mintio
yo ya Ghana phone na mo mo heye mo mukie chenche obia so ye NPC so ye NPP so ye CPP ye chiao we agree to disagree enyina den ko ben ko mo ake say ya kan fo se me previous na kwado onego mahama kasa ndu che se me ni na agree wo ha account
yes na do kra John Mahama e masters of Russia 1988 ono kwa ne tua John Mahama fees ma no Aye.
Nana do scout here or you try your man.
Me de Maxi
If you got the attorney say, okay, the history of the cocoa production and the cocoa industry in Ghana. Come on, your mark cocoa farmers' attention. If you say, started to be 1992.
Okay.
I didn't know because 1992 and your war Farmers Day.
Yeah, Cocoa Farmers Day. Yeah, first Friday in December.
That's right. Didi Lawrence. Now, starting no best farmers na three no. They do more butchery. No more butchery. Say, omukoye there, so omukoye there. Fact, so what you make butchery. Ono ano ye. A big prestige. Cocoa farmer at the time. You see, I'm just saying, you see that. They give them something quite good. Cocoa production and an input say you cocoa. And then another agri acre, nation acre. Cocoa na ebuno. If you over the piano, any time. I have it. Maybe 50 years, 60 years. Until you were gonna say, you see, as soon now, a coffin, you could go to any smoke a cracker and a babu and a town. Until I think, sir, the mayor's time and almost started somewhere replanting. I think so. At that time I started it, but I'm sure about the mayor's time. Omutegu no more replanting. Until in Trago, every replanting, and yet, Nana Adodamba, Kufuado, pencil, and a statue. This men can say, men can pay separate the mayor's time at the statue. But our hope and an anado, Abet, and our old was. And after the mayor's and President Muhammad. Any other Croatia, and Mosumu Kuku farmers, the friend Yato, the bottle, yeah. I told you, say, Obe Kuku farm now, a year in Sumu, Waku Bonkufi, Slap one, not to say, if young Katian. Now the Kuku, and you know, Kuku seed, no? Yes, she was a big bear now to know to me, no. Now, in the now, Musumia.
Or transplanting. So nursery before transplanting. Okay. Okay.
Now,
we say for the sake of viewers.
Atogeno on say your pots no ho. Ukotia na udua ne te se de udua aburu no. Eno ne ye friend atoge na senia wobeti wobekwakoye nursery ne de eno na no wo pa ne nursery ne ye de sheport mu.
Okay.
Once ye ko ye wo bag rubber ni ya de ashim na ya de si ho no mre kakra. Ebi ho no abosome miensa. Na fi na wo fi wo transplanting.
Eno ne atogene
there be no nursery no. Na atogene de ye dua ne se de ye se de ye dua aburu ya na wo do ho kakra tete na because if fit se de aburu afifi na mo do ase ya na enyini and would see why you to be okay because he said beginning.
Okay, so last was mommy. So I think that is a clarification. Oh, okay. Oh, Samson also who no. Okay, now what do you know? Okay, let's hold it there. Let's hold it there. Nina say even say near dia and now when we do direct. Okay, let you continue for me.
Now, and the Mayor and Muhammad. And over here, they say, if you are foreign bread, there was a and says, it will give you free. Until Sundays now.
Seedlings, no. Now they're free.
Free.
Okay.
Free. They're free. And the Mayor and Muhammad. Until almost 30 years, 5 million
seedlings.
Or 10, or 20, or 20. As at the time, I free now, 50 million free. No fun we have yet, no more deployment, no more local. If we have a library by, I have to give the credit to President before Because before President before na fertilizer application na enye so no. Them the 2004, 2005 thereabout, and 2001, 2002. And we introduced cocoa fertilizer. Big mass production at that time. But unfortunately, the woman said now almost fertilizers no more.
Okay.
The good of it is so we see how we can do. The bad of it is we see how we can do. In the males and Mahama in particular, no we say no. Fertilizer no yet better. It will be over. It is soon cocoa now. It's 100 bags of fertilizer free.
Yes, I say for no.
Yes. Fertilizer is about 1.6 million OCD. In the amount 10 kura, 60 million. The amount 100.
That's a trim kura.
From the word go, as an up, we are following a bit thick cocoa kura. The amount 100. Now 160. So 160 million. Free.
But free okay, make I Panama Western region. Now after I say Nanado even elections, no. I think 2 weeks later, we were studio. And minya information say Ekuafo we be machi. Na so omuni nkomo. Omo di nkomo producer about say Ekuafo na ba so mo sreme. Me mo 15 minutes per hour me time. Na omo mfa kan bi nchira ban na dan ba foforo no. Ase me kutukuru Ekuafo na ba ye. Say almost 7 pa 15 minutes. Me mfa mo na omo kan bi nchira ban no. Amo se nyina ne say aban na wa ba no. Sa fa la say de free no. Omo sre. Say aban no emo mo nto. Odo making available. You say na free no. Na omunya bi. I've given you baby free buy here. Omu kasa asem no. It tells you na free no. Na say the president say no work no. Na edu da bi wo ha na ya kuku football bo. That's right. Inti na bi munya bi. Yes I net here.
I don't have to doubt what you are saying. But the American say and the Mahama in particular, the last channel, now in this district cocoa best cocoa farmer. Yes. Yes.
Plus constituency party executive.
No.
Any day I'm wishing.
No. They were not part. I'm saying no. In this net is under mills. But the Mahama, it is a ma interference be able from the political.
Okay.
It almost the bad district cocoa office of the Bebu. They invited district cocoa farmer and other farmers. They are almost cocoa farmer. Now district cocoa farmer no, and the chair, my chair fertilizers no. It is a problem so much.
Yeah, so bueno.
Exactly.
And more any supervision.
Cocoa farmer and supervision.
Okay.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. And again, let me make this point. Under President Rollins, Tamana Rollins, Ebekono, 1999, 2000. Now a bag of cocoa, that's 64 kilo weight,
yeah. So 64, 64, yeah.
210,000, and then 21 cents. Around that time, now a packet of roofing sheets, the lowest one, 140,000.
Okay, 14 cities. Maybe you have to buy 2 packs.
The farmer no eco-ton cocoa bag back home. We have 210. Which means one full packet of roofing sheet.
Okay.
Now a bag of cement. I think 30 cedis also.
30 cities,
30 cedis.
And 3 Ghana cities.
Go. Which means 2 bags. And the kind of packet of roofing sheet.
Okay.
Now 10 cedis, that's 100,000.
Or the
President Kufuor buy. He did what? We increased the price of a bag from 210 to about 1 million. But sadly, the roofing seed now near 140,000. Now acquire 1.4 million. Until this time, in real terms,
one bag.
Wouldn't mean fan talk 1 packet of roofing seed.
Okay.
This outside tone be half. At the come and away to me out for 1 packet.
But only mamma now, if it's not me, some come.
Or what you want to adjustment. Or what you want to mean your casca.
Okay.
But Mayor's name Mahama buy from 1 million, going to 2 million, going to 3 million, going to 4 million, going to 5 million. And a packet of roofing sheets no cost no so now below a bag of cocoa.
Okay.
It went back to the now
Rollins on.
Rollins war. Again, let me make this point. We need baby a do what he back or production. The man will be near faith.
Okay.
Do what he said. We need time of Bermuda. Yeah. About he wasn't a public figure. He wasn't a public officer. He was a lecturer. I had co production only 1992. Robert contest presidential elections in Lulu. 1996 in Lulu.
I am the cocoa for no. Aha, more than for me from my na. If you be your hair, winning cocoa, no cocoa.
Again, let me make this point. The first time, yeah, Toko, yeah, farmers can. The thing has happened under the Danko Busia revolution, 1996, 1970. Busia was the first head of state for introducing cocoa chains. 1970. Go and look at the reasons behind why a tampon did his school. It can't be. Okoton cocoa now, even under Kwame Nkrumah, Oton Yadi Piauka. Busia by 1970, 1971. Now we teach our Tomago. If you are not a team, landlady near Nanabu.
Well, I said, for
2 January, with the Honoma, with Zabra, Casawini, Bay 72, 73 at that time. The meetings of the way cancer, Aropa Bay 630. I am trouble and we say, one of my music trouble, in trouble and we say, Utoy Coca, Ujayaka. No, by a charity. So, Omako, I just said, it's not our code. Now I call it over 6 candy hop. And I will call the crowns over. One we have marketing of that if we if you own them. Yeah, Betty. Under the MPP tradition, buying cocoa and paying for it, it is very, very, very bad of them. They can say NDC is the best, but the NDC is better along that line than the MP.
Okay, Masaba.
Because he a loan of $3.9 billion last year, October, for cocoa purchases. It is more than $3.9 billion. Now, what to cocoa? Every farmer. Now, from October, November, December, January, February, March, a car. Says he can.
Nadahi. But I say, I was also arrested to be higher quality within this Max Wallace and our tenant Kano. You need a national president at the Ghana National Association, Ghana National Cocoa Farmers Association, Ura Anane Wating. And AD and Como Yere Cocoa for any essence. Okay, our gentleman, the Fabra, and the promise to be a man to what me afraid. Now, what to me to a gentleman so Abba. I think you have a pension. We kaipa the date I was trying to cross check, but my young temp. Me baby, 1 penny ever Jubilee Park, Kumasi. No, obey launch the program. I say, Cocoa farmers, Mubenya, the FNO pension scheme. Mumbo Musem, didi, can't want some penny na Edema Bino. Sabri, a Grafua would do when you were Ghana. I could say,
Tisa, say, we a idea Dayakuma Sopa, he said, Ghana National Cocoa Farmers Association, Ushimwa, your team Popa, name you know. Baconena said, Yen Shani Yen Shaya Mayen, if he said, Sikani Yama Yen Sankra, and Yen Shinibu ye dachi. If the binum cocoa to me shit, a binum cocoa to me shit, na a shea, Obeshanana Brabaya Bassa. Okay. Ubi also a cocoa, the woman, not a yebassa. Nimum seeing and she ye pension a beboye. It's ye buy an ye debetona and ye the core parliament. Okay. And at the end, can't see your bonus be a no mutriama cocoa bag if you have any of my 5 cities. Okay. And I fee premium na ebano. You see a great premium last year, I say in your best $600 million. Premium ni ye for yensen can be. It is sanity dia a binding yen sheye. Na onfa bonus no any premium no. And my mutual health as supplementary to the national health insurance. Okay. If you say a basa, kukwe for your hospital kwa na break crocran your pension or what. Sabi yankwala woman nam kwan and now say graduates abo munye adwumanye e ba de ye bi kura tab etimi koye dokono enra msebiti you know so be so on koye nurse wo koye dokono na omunyina betuma adwuma no fi say wo future every corner wo yare a the health is secured enti ye bono emu ye be hu say BNDC law 81 no subsection 26-27 no mandating constitution no mandate Cocoa Board kati say on your pension scheme on your health welfare and pension wom emma Cocoa Ekuafo.
Okay.
Binianom ade na da ho no mo so mo ye na 37 years ni na 36 years na ka start. Binua atena sia besine na ye oman panyina na Rollins e Farisi preso na mi se sa omoma san hyehyeye no Rollins na mu baba be ye constitutional president Republic of Ghana ordinary hwe ya wan hwe ama ade a constitution na mandate si yenye no ya nye enu akiri yewura kofo bai onu so behwe wanye Atamels bai wanye yewura Mahama bai onu so a wanye etinana Dubai emu ene ye behu se ne kuyo bi wo ho ne efre no Cocoa Coffee Share Not Association na sabre no na yewura Lawrence o ti kuyo se nka mebo Cocoa Ekuafo nenia ekuo na tenase 43 years emunie enya positive impact ewe Ekuafo so emuni hu se debi ye tenase ne ye ya ye hu se Cocoa Board na oye regulator no wode Cocoa Coffee Share Not na be ye shelled eni wo share chiri na ofre mu kakra bi enipa be num bi a no onu wo makotenase na onu wo masusu asem no ho na ye de abetu Cocoa kra na ye beto abase ye betumu a onu obi ensusu ho sankrofo na enti sa na tie di a ye nti ye ho yesu Cocoa Ekuafo no fi se coffee ye nyenefuo na brekro na so nkuto no coffee ni ye ninefuo dodo wo memu nkuto no so share not no ye no so so ye nyenefuo sisiwiram ne ye koso satese besen enti sa na tie di a ye beti ye ho afiri mu fi se enhihye ye bia ekoso bia no ye Cocoa no na di sikaba na Cocoa Board for ye regulators no ma sponsor di ye sika akoye emfa so ba ye nya bi ne basa ye Cocoa no de ye ya ye nhyehyeye na nka me yetuma ye pension no ho nhyehyeye no a ye ma adeso akora me da aban so na nka yetumi di aye miwura ye pem no asemwe na etwa court na Cocoa Board hu se de ensem no kono na ano de fi se aban no avirity constitution 36 years ene normal no ene ma oye se ene omuni aban tenase no na do adawroma ogitu mu ma yen ene oba be start so obe pa hontoma.
Okay, intimate wasi ya na mokore Ekuafo no
hey masa
mo na mo pem so a ma ne bi duru ba bi na aban ne gitu mu se me okay
if you say na enoma no esese wo ho na wo banye enti dan no ye wutie a Cocoa award yewura bo ahende ba sa de 36 years a wo mantumi anye na wanji ya ne ye de beye papa ade na tena ho no ma bisi sabre mo ntuma anye fine na do bai wa bepa ho ntuma na eye bibia na da yakoma so pa enti papa ne ye nije ye tro krata koda na se na eye bibia ye nije ho na onim enhyehyeye na ode baaye no wayi wode ma MPRA National Pension Regulatory Authority so onye ho adwuma afedi eduru baby ye hu di ade no ko ene ye tro letter e de ma all the state authorities ni say omo manye hu nhyehyeye no ne wo ma ya kuduro if you say regulate what they saying trustees no yi won no ye ko wo mu a wo mo nka bibia nkyere yen na mempo minya krata ni bi fi MPRA emom ko interview ye ni nyina ma me ba be ye one of the board of trustees afi ye nten hyehyeye no ye tuana mo ko the consultant no yankusiaga ene ye letter de call Cocoa Board say ye media conference den ya ye nua no mani abegye ho fi say ade da yakoma so de ye den ya bebu sem ne yehu menua see ye de krata beba Council of State ene chroy Cocoa Board say wama wo up to 16th omufa krata no mrefi say ade na ye yesu hu na da wo makoma so pa menua besi ne ya nche ho hwe enti ye ma ye kan wo ye conclude wo ye meeting na se sa pension 36 years na atwam na we nso na be pa ho ntoma na ye ba be na sa betwam a enya adwuma de a enya de ye be ye ne se ye be tworo ewo oman mu ba bia because demonstration just wa Cosford Street so e de abo ba bia se na da yen cocoa farmers pension scheme. That was the decision you take here in that ye pesa de no ba reality fi sa da yakoma so na de ne ye ba betwentwen so a wani be ba ho so no na ya anye eti brebi um some buy na wo ka business focus e wo TV3 Atakrufi na Joshua MT motor unions wo mo abanjuma ye for union TUC ene what they saying yewura Atakrufi nyina ye court discuss na emra ye kan no na Atakrufi say ade ne de akoye ne de afi wonyini se ebetuma ye adwuma etu de we bibia ya kan sei na che say ade nkwase edua so ye ntroso mienu ye kura ya nkase nka aban no se de wo no se wo de percentage ni ade ye nia ya wo ye ya build ye data anke ye pese te se 600 ya or 660 no na ke ye nhehye ye mu no ye se o ma ye 600 na nka ye mfa 40 cedis nye ye pension scheme no nanka yemfa 20 cedis no enye yen health insurance no se ne wo ye kokoko ani a wo benya sa efase oh enti nya banya se
a month na say
koko bag bi ya
okay
what you say
okay
nanka enya banya se masa enna me kan se enhyehyeye na ye mienu koko board yen koko ekuafo yenye koko board workers yet say GPR to ana motor union motor union nye Minister of Transport workers women ye private ye pure private and a cocoa board ye public office representing government on cocoa intervention asem na hanewo enti farm support there e wo modwuma but ye welfare ye yo ye nkan koni ye mpuntuo no enye cocoa board asem fi se cocoa board wo ye adwuma boso meso ye betua woka eno wadwuma no hono no te se yen yakoto kokoo ni yatua yeka two wo adwuma no mu ni ye pedan ana akope baabi atena ye be ma baabi atena rent that is welfare ni bi wo ye adwuma na sa afidu a ye be ma bonus eno ye welfare du bia wo ye adwuma na so yare a kokoo clinics wo ho ubekobi na kokoo clinic na ye be hwe okwa simple one kokoo clinic na ko private abaji what they saying receipts e dia kokoko board akodi usika ni nyina eno ni welfare no we ye adwuma na sa afidu a na yama bon yama pension bia no wentumi enye sika kese bia ye teteto ho no e bi say yen ekuafo yen timi nkoye te se de nkwala ekofa milk tontura na o ma me maniska no de tekuatum no de sempo atum no de aye na atako be hen an 2 days etina wote ho no de sika yi twam enti ye yesan hihye ye we ma ebeboa na mo de enti de ko dan aban no se omun pass no as what they saying law and
PVC ni na no
said ye nyina ye beti ye ho ase because cocoa board e kora ye sika aban ne to ye koko na ye to wia na ye ne ye custodian no ekọ Minister of Finance ene cocoa board ye akọ ye sika ye de ama ye bankers nanka bank no a distribute into individual accounts na saade we se ba enye na ya wodi usika yete wona na wo kwaji usika dey be a bit take time and this thing will be in the benefit of the government because betumi kura bombo sia kakra dia ya adwuma for a period of 5 years
so the tier 2 the tier 3
na de no nature say yenye de no eye informal na yaye cocoa board mpese wo beti ase no ni ya tenase na asem we yade atudwa na wo pese wo ye na ade no so mu ni modalities se ya me ne wo ka say o se pension ne call ya cocoa board abase ye ne wo mu preso afa de akoba ne se ada ye conference ni wie ya na cocoa board be to ade award ade say wo mu be enroll 1.5 million cocoa farmers papa onye bibi with that modalities again and she ya wo dey
one na
benefit ye kuafo no oni ye ntrase you and oni ye susu ho
omo ayo mo ade no mo dey ato
na ye nso ye nya workers why do you manage it Cocoa board nye pension administrator ye wo pension regulators ye NPRA National Pension Regulatory Authorities and to be of this sort ye the map pension administrators and a woman and manage ade no if you say wo ye for wadwuma mu a you go to SNIT na SNIT aye den aye nhyehyeye e de amount na usika no wo de order say wo de wa for wadwuma na tua to ho no ko wo beti na wo de no so kakra wo de no so de kakra kan wo de ato ho and that is not Cocoa board business but Cocoa board abeji say nyuma ni nyina ta na ni aso no so awonye no wonye o say enoma na e ko na ma yenya akoma no enti ye kan say ye hwe wo mu se de wo de abaso wo be ne pilot woni hwan na susu ho na ba ye na wo ba be pa ho ntoma no wanka pilot asem na se meme ne wo ye adwuma ya fa ye nyina adwuma dako wo ka che se wati kurobi na wo ba be start ne pilot anya sisie na wo sisie eti nyuma ni bi wo ho no mo a yen Cocoa Ekuafo no he should sit us down na oni yen kasa na yen tin wo manase because yen ye welfare no anye wo mu because Cocoa board wo mu nyina ni America nyina wo mu welfare even though they wo ye adwuma no ko pension ya yamma osika kese de tie bosumi bia na ebi mkoje ebi je 3 million OCDs ebi je 4 million ebi je 5 million ebi je 10 million ebi mpoje 30 million a month
depending on
what is your welfare we be koni asa trouble mu ho pensioners association Cocoa Ekuafo welfare any yen system enyamo dia emra na wo mu ma yen scholarship mo ma mentre emra na ma yen scholarship scholarship e ba na say 100 a obehwe bi 2% emu 2 and e be kwa Ekuafo ho yaka nyina ye protocol yen ka no yen ka ma ban aban B because and I can say Rollins no but the time or babe year Farisi or this ye pension hye no na we welfare hye so wono kura ba ye wanye ho hwe etina ye fight ye mo aban bi di right na mom we need our welfare we don't want Cocoa board to manage our welfare for us
ebi muso hu say mo ka say na na dada no so ye too harsh because
yes yanya 37 years back no e betina ho abiti ne enya
ono no aboso
mo
aso commitment
na wa yen hye want unyen hye ya wo meye eti yen ya kase from October no no kan ye hwe na kosi sa eye pilot no yen ti ase na eye up to October no ye behwe se nye Cocoa no nko an Cocoa kue ni bie ni ho no mo de aduane be free farm gate abedwa so because yen Cocoa Ekuafo listen to me no listen to me Cocoa no yen ye produce aduane ye local food number 56%. Sure. And we make sure no food will transfer from farm gate to the market.
And so assume you nko sense nsan yo any high wo ngure na
na say ba ye mo so munim sa bi nto mo so mo nka bi mayen na obi anka watena se yes ye man nhyehyeye 36 years no years ahodo wo ma mu nyina wo ho they know it but nobody has said anything about it.
Abusia egusu 18 komo me say ene mama so do ajin na ba but text message amodi aba no amenken ka bi farmer o say if you come to some places of western region these laws are not working about the treatment farms. Okay, we say good evening Mr. Host, what the man is saying is true. I'm from Wasap Mpohot district. My grandmother called me and saying that she has not been paid for 2 months after the clerk bought her cocoa, and she borrowed the money from bank and they are calling her to come and pay her debt. Big so kaswa the aba I don't know. We say good evening. Okay, Debbie. I mean can we also Eddie free Elibu fire Eddie free Elibu neba here. I say in fact I like the program, but the association leader is not speaking the truth, in the sense that Cocoa board supply them with liquid fertilizer through their various cooperative groups instead of the granula. Okay, and also the Abba and no. I say, hi, Mike. I'm enjoying your show. It is very interesting topic you are discussing. In fact, farmers are being not treated well. The point is that subsequent and continuous government do not care about farmers, and so they should also think. The other kind one there. We say I like the submission by the national president. In fact, they are trying to help. The government should speed up. Naomi, so they are there. But for me, na yanking kind of maybe I'm not to move somewhat me afraid. Na it didn't come up pension. Me tell you, no me here. Because me come gym now and we gym wa. I can't crack up me say them be friend me. So one as a child teacher. Anyone at home gym, but soon be no crack. Na ko ba ni say ena kuya fo man penina na betu no to say pay eba. Nana, one penina be kan you so ode pension scheme no eba. Because my platform is so I had CEOs Ghana ha omo no mo PMPC adi e betena kan say akuafo mo man pania baso so this had the eba etakuafo trim e dey abaso body na ye vote 1 year down the lane you hu he
they don't see bebre o ready no obi send me message bi by say kuku association leader fa baby no o chiasem
o say liquid fertilizer you spoke on the difference liquid fertilizer and the demo
na ye sank ye nye politics na kufuado wa wo kasa no say emfie dua sansia na saa hyehyɛ na da ho na kufuado say me be ye pension scheme di amamo akuafo minia wa ye hyehyɛ na ma pension scheme na start woni wadi biase
o sa o sa na ben
asati woni wadi biase no only information
we national president why you say only information no the best started 30 you know the way I model my program the point that you good
but here is the case say because assembly ye kan nyon kwa no ye kani wo Ghana ha enti wo kan say mi kire ni say opening e bia wo de kone hot na twesan o say
e fa no
mpacho mami wi abeti mas
me me kan
me kasa wo say aduane na ya ma besi kwan ye ma ye fa aduane ba obesi obi kwan tumi be na wo
no kuafo asem no mo kan yo I as a teacher for not president another not chairman okay this is what we will do he represent the farmers
mami nchire mu ono wakoti nikuo na wate ena okasa ma nikuo ena aban so aye nhihye yese sebi farmers wo Ghana ha koko farmers no enye wo nko awukuofo no ena ye koko farmers nti me ye nhihye pa edi ato ho betumi abo obi into this pilot scheme no pension scheme no me shase wo ni wadi biase mo obi ahu say pension scheme no me shase
nti we say what are the modalities do you know help us ekuafo mpempem ba me how ekuafo mpempem na ehwe anwumre on bezo mu say omo a even say pilot scheme na mo shase no e wo ni wadi biase no kuani be na enjoy kuani no emu de he na enjoy what are the modalities this is what I think they are calling for so let them know the modalities before you start you cannot start once they don't know who is benefiting who is not benefiting so if you know help us good
asema mi kani ase bi yekuani ni bi ana mi nua nso yekuani enti na se mo ke bia no yekuafo no ye bompa ye se ye benya nhyehyɛ pa ne ye dia yekua dwuma ne yie na enoba ba enti amakoko board fo so ye nhyehyɛ pa e de boa ye ekuafo no ebi ni aban twa koko
nana ya tra ho what are the modalities for the pension
good say pension scheme na sem minia say ya pension scheme na sem na enye yenya ekuafo no ye ne ye be hyehyɛ mra e de ama aban enye ye ne ye be hyehyɛ mra de ama aban ye do koko na koko ni ba na sa aban say mi nto koko na ma na beto mi kuani metumi aton mi koko intimi nto mi koko enti koko board e wo ho say omo no ye regulators enti nye se bia wo ye kuani ni ntina koko board wo ho no na me ni koko board fo na me ni omo kwa kwatwe
why ntina koko board wo na nya wo na koko board wo so why do you want to take a decision without the consent of the farmers
na se wanya wotre e mo man chechire man chire na se oti radio so na oti television so wo be kan wa
I'm asking a question and not me kan wa I'm not meet with
nyam na me kan ye kuafo ni bi ye be kan asem no troka ye be kan wa enso na ntesa eti se e bia obi akokote the concern association of teachers
nagra to so ho o ti ase o se mate concern association of teachers na yesan ye wo teachers association ye teachers association ni kan concern for say ye nyintum ye mpere nti onu no kuo na wakote no onu kuo ni kuo no on to me nkasa.
No, I take an exception to that. How many cocoa farmers association do you know in Ghana?
Minia.
Nana.
That is the reason why I'm saying say sisi anyamia dabroma cooperative ababebre ye cocoa farmers no.
If I heard him right, Mr. Watson right, I think that he made mention say he made mention say Nana, I will allow you to talk. He made mention
or try say obey to some of the farmers.
Is that how you see
it? Yes, that is how I see him. That is how the interest.
I think that he even made mention say that national regulatory we know for the pensions no he was part, right? That's what you said, that he was part, but edema shas you know omukra na ye omo so meka won enya no omo ntehwe. Is it not worrying?
That is never true. That is never true. Because president F1 say yenya board ni yenhwe koko board for yi na fema ye farmers no ye genuine ayi na ye bon sam ote won kan o se ye bon sam di manana kufa ye true letter na
kodana se
e no say ade ye ne me hya ase na mom esese me hya ase free other municipal bi and district bi na e ho so no koko farmers e ho na omo to koko no koko board ni momo Cocoa board ni pharmacy ni na. Anything just recently. Ni cocoa board for cry here they say asem papa bi any asem de bi abade say. And then ye beto cocoa kra na. Omo I start to say ye be hwe say ye be ma u data u bibia ye be ma u card. Enye kane na wo de passbook e ko na ye twotwo gu mu no. Ye omo ba betwam. Passbook sani na omo ba betwam because obi ho no so we u cocoa no kra na. O track on passbook no mu a na wate so. Because ebi na mentumi ankenkan.
Okay.
What in America na say?
Okay.
Enti ni amani bebre owa. Mr. Media President Sanade on tono mu ase. Na on hwe ni amani ye. No onya information ni ye.
Nana masa ba sawalas yenti o pension. Ehun ya pa o. Ekuyafo no esu ano no. Say amampani ebe share bo somewhere last year October. Say pension scheme ebe ba so. Ini omo say ne ma hya ase say eba edu ebi no omo ntom ho ase say hwan na benefit omo hunu he omo sra ban no say omo hunu mu yi ansa no wa hya ase tiawa
medu ba bia na ne son on to boss say what teacher for Ghana the welfare of teachers na Ghana Education Service for na education and I say Minister of Education and yet teacher for na for association and no fight for their welfare. So why does the TMB know and no decide to say if we are for welfare no say insurance na ye mam. What is the sense in it?
What you do?
Papa Manin Kase.
Now who accept it? Now who yama. That is the point he's making, and he's right. 2017, another damn good for power. When you say glyco insurance, also we insurance by for teachers.
Yeah, Tangana be.
Exactly. And I think that one say the association oh the outside now oh yeah insurance am without our giving our consent. The thing ended. Indeed, that is what he's talking about. Yeah, we are for. And I see a insurance. No, I mean, child, law be over. I said, what 36 years. And I walk yaba. Walk yaba. What to my mamu. Na say na mean senior mamo. Now more the modalities input. Abem. Now more dodo. Now for taking decision. Because the welfare of our farmers that. And yes, insurance no one the welfare. Coming from the first person organization. Farmers Ghana Farmers Association.
Okay.
The first chairman of the Ghana Farmers Association, your friend Apia Dankwa, Ufin Carrier. You know why Yas and Twas and School PA a guapa? Good. 1960, and the Kwame Nkrumah say, me see secondary school, nam the Yas and Twa Niatus. I mean, by the Gesson, because Yas and Twa is free Gesson. The then chief of Gesson was a Kwame Nkrumah, me poetry, minimum Gesson for me poetry. And now Apia Dankwa say, me free a guapa. Into Kwame, almost from Fabra. And I asked Antoine secondary school copy. That is the history of it. So, Kwame Nkrumah and the Kobele cocoa sets, no, my friend say, because now only a strong CPP. A be opposite the fair filling station on front of 06.
06, yeah.
Who is on a platform?
Yeah.
A one Kwame Nkrumah rally. Ujina rally. So, and these people I didn't idea eba. Bibia and says what? Yamamo, farmers will be educated. Be educated. Exactly. You want them to do their insurance the way they want it, and then propose as normally they are brown. Now we are crazy. They will take the city together. What do you mean?
Papa money.
Welfare Nabi. NDC. Now bonus na misana ne ekano. Na anyhow. Na NDC introduce you no. No at the end of the cocoa, if I say cocoa season. It at the end of the cocoa season, you have part book now. Ultimately, produce 100 bags beton. Ebia 1 bag be able 1 CD bonus. Tell their bread purchasing officer no. I do a bread purchasing officer national. And I said, do a macra. And eventually, what Mahama did was this: who carry cocoa na bonus no? I can't. 5 cities. In the remember say 100 cities for a bagger. Now you pay 105. Tell me, boy, 102 on can. It's here, you can welfare no no. They are giving you something extra to ginger you up.
Okay.
The same welfare no be. No, so can I me? I'm against it, and I'm against it. Cocoa clinic.
Yes, you do.
See, I'm crying. I do the nana see never. I'm crying. Cocoa clinic. Your friend say cycle area home. Maybe a Bank of Ghana, former Bank of Ghana. As soon as say Cocoa Ghana commercial bank. As soon as say I heard almost started Cocoa clinic 1974. And I later on be a branch of Tepa. And I say, oh, my baby, Kumasia Cocoa farm a venue. Missy Kumasia main cars anti region. In Tiabaya, say we are Sunni. I was a croponi, where near from benefit the cocoa farmers, no, Kumasi for, and I am doing a cocoa clinic firstly. Again, look at what Muhammad did. Cocoa roads. More hinterland. No pine yet. It must vote to $750 million for a 5-year period. Every year, be 150 million. Yet the year cocoa roads are my farmers. A welfare. We started it. Because Eastern region, Kwabin, way, be. Asante region, how Okoni will be just a Okana. Okay, you have to be said or something. A can't be down. So, I'm going to yeah. You buy. And now don't go for the buy or see water region. You cocoa. The cocoa rose here.
I take exception to that.
No. He said it.
No. Wait.
It's on your phone. It's on your phone.
Mommy. I'll cross check.
Voter region doesn't grow cocoa, so I'm canceling cocoa.
No.
Okay.
No. I'll do that. Oh. So sorry.
The New York cocoa voter region. It was top cocoa roots. Okay. One friend, if you know, a business there, a big community day schools, a no hinterland, cocoa growing areas. Cocoa do beura, if it's your cocoa farmers. Cocoa, your friend say, a dudama, maybe your
okay.
Pacoso, and a pacoso, no.
Yeah.
A cocoa growing area.
Okay.
It's also official panoso, cocoa growing area. All these are
well.
And a cocoa marketing boss scholarship or Sana Naking. I served with him 100%. Let me give you one story.
Just a story there.
WW and your story thinking you. Because for the training college.
Okay.
And you call teaching practice for it's Sungwa.
Okay.
A call home echo and craphobia. It is good come the echo. And craphone cocoa. Hey cocoa. I'm saying cocoa. Some of you cocoa marketing boss scholarship. Cocoa will be that. And you call I didn't am BCM or the board yes, I did. A diet immunity or the Italian could travel no be a day. Yet one man granny mother. You call her winning. Or the actually board yen who could turn also. Actually, right. Now, CMB now think crime. Who Sika, but now show Bano.
God's way casket shop, Kumase as a liberal about. God's way say, young can't show. sɛ ne die mu a ɛne fie odi hye bi na afiri mu abusapani kunye kunodaka ambulance video coverage sound system canopies ni na no obema obi uni skakra bra na mfama wi na de abeto bia kofa no 0243 737457 0243 737457 our travel and logistics so me kan cho say ne you pose tu kwan ko pi mu Dubai odo be ko so ko your business ana so ko pa dwuma ye no bra so me so be give visa man do ko Dubai accommodation ho and afins no mo dwuma ye e obra ho entimi enkyere wo our travel and logistics Dubai nkwa na do ko tie nie pa oti no kuma wuda me so Dubai ene original odo be ko country bia ka ho na se ba fire pa cho me ma ha Dubai and odo be kro 0552 373 027 Dubai there ene pa na odo eko 0552 373 027 from na omonye so Malam Mohammed Spiritual Herbal Center Okobati bi Escafo Amantam the only Malam I name enema ekoso dia man over radio super TV so bi antimi mfra kwa nkasa obu no otwa no edna fa bi kura da Malam Mohammed na me kanfo dia ma wo se honhom na honamani wo se bra na ontumi emu awo nwa ye den aware nwa ye ten oba no be ma no wone watena so be nwa de edura bi no obu kwase a nyina wo se bra e bia na ho akwa no na afi be ma nimu a be san de ahyem obra ha bia no entumi ma ho Malam Mohammed se oya adwuma na pese adwuma no koso na sikasam etimi tumpon wa bra na ontumi emu akobati bi Escafo Amantam no wo yare no twere edam yare bia no Malam se bra na ontumi emu a 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 Venusberg Travel and Tour Venusberg Travel and Tour omo akontu no Dubai nka ho nemu Venusberg say Ghana be bia person we just be bia person ko bia no right na omo emfa wonko UK Canada Iceland ehfa na person kro we ase a omo dum fa nko titru nemu a mo pese mo ko China ko fa ne ma no wase mo mra sanse na hope visa obeboa amon set mi aka visa na tentem so uni passport na person bi ma wa on be tentem so ma be set na uni bi ya wo wanyini pa 28 years uni be set nko bi nye na wonto na se kontu so ba na yende pe passport ne be set no ebi etumi sanso na hape hotel reservations obra ebia onya kontu bia wokra on betumi aye ede ama o say both domestic and international ticket ni na no omo ye etumi ede ama 0556 055 965 0556 055 965 omo main office no e was Santasi Kumasi ya Kumasi omani opokuwa school no na eye enhwanimu Shahid Asante Kwame Buadu mo fase Shahid Asante Kwame Buadu wo My Academy wo Axim wo class 3 ene your birthday Shahid yama happy birthday bujanbori na yesi na minshira no onye okese ye ntwa ho sema emra ye ba bibia ho notum na afi akuafo hawo mama ne betimi agi ye ba yesia
animudia me manfo nyi bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo ma asofo nso no mo nya ma asore ma akon obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko Malam sebra ya adwuma me mene da
okay
kwesi da edwoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na fieda wo beto ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nanteda woda fom obi so wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye afa no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne tachere ma afa na ne timi enwo ye ketekete oh ha no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no Malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so wo ho so a me ne wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai be ni nyina ono wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho me ne wo kasa o ba bi na ono ne kodaye afa de ye ube ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti Malam se wo de abra oba bi o ho na wode no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kyerɛ wo kwan no wo be hu na say abɛyɛ mremremre
okay
wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiru ene danta de bibo ano Malam Mohammed Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ɛne ne nhyia ɛwɔ Kumawood TV na yɛnya mmerɛ nwura sunsumu ɛna sukɔ na ɔhaw ɛda wo so no mala mohwɛ na onyi emfiri hɔ ɛmfa ɛma wo ɛtwerɛ yare bi a ɛdam wusika ɛna ayera na wohwɛ ɔjapade bi na obi ɛnam kwa bi so agye afiri nsɛm utu gold ɛna opɛ sɛ onya ɛmoa anaasɛ ebi akontuo ɛnɛma ayɛ den ama wɔ wo ba no ɔda so dwonso anaasɛ akontuo ɛnɛma ayɛ den ama wɔ bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern Region ɛhɔ ɛna Malam wɔ esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru hɔ bɛbɛ pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo bɛfrɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 ɛyɛ tie bi na entumi ɛmwa piaw
right abusia mesan eba makwaba ahaya sinupi live on Kumawood TV ene ifiada kuku ehunkomo ena edi was it hello I want to say kudos to Mr. Wallace for always telling the truth. I like the way he speaks with fact. Mame from the Kwai edia wode aba enso enono we say hi, I'm Ubri, please. These are the documents for modalities for the pension scheme. Cocoa Board, in consultation with the necessary stakeholders, have come out with the above. Okay, I'll find time and read. I've seen the hard facts about cocoa farmers pension scheme. Okay, Mr. Ubri, thanks so much. Na etimi akai. We say good evening, Mr. Moderator. The Nana, he is speaking for the politicians. From his submission, I don't think he is a real farmer. I don't understand why he is defending the government. You should stop attacking the cocoa farmers president. Thank you. From Dennis Nkoko. Dennis, thanks so much for your message. We say, Midin de Asare, Mekasa free, Bunsu, Yunkwanta, Bunsu Yunkwanta. And ya no, correct, sir. Cocoa Board the pieces ka ewi intisa kra antisa kra Gaboso district. Okay, ozi Cocoa Board ntua akafo ne sika no ntua emfa enwie we say Mr. Host, thanks for your good work. May the good Lord protect you from evil plans. Okay, what the man in NDC top is saying is true. The NPP led by Nana Ado's government cancel Kuku routes from Shama, Peposo to Anlo Beach. Okay, also Eddie Abba, I don't know. We say good evening, Sir Mike. I'm enjoying your show. The farmer is 100% telling the truth. Why should the government control the welfare of teachers? Who will allow this in this country? Is it because they think most farmers are not literate? Now they okay for no illiterate pa nubia. Well, mami me a woman tum, but nana what's what me control ketu heavy. Just a minute. Me will control. Okay. Uncle Wallace Kasano. Me offer. Okna bibi o say yaba be project bi e wo Kumasi. Na Kumasi that project no and say fata say na o san ke be Kumasi o say Cocoa area. But that project ne e wo one sign MPP be ba o. Okay. Roger Mahama. O ba ye na onim say project no ho. Cocoa clinic e wa kra da dansa na MPP be ba. Okay. O just say e wo ho da. Ka se mo na mo ba yo. O fa Cocoa guest house. Cocoa for the guest house. E wo bole. I want that former president. What you say? I don't know. I want to go Cocoa. And now Kufuado. And Kujina baby and can say. Cocoa in the voter region. Na wanga TV wolo nako from TV na wolo mane nko from. Na ebacho. Na neba. Ma TV wolo nko from na yentie e wo phone no me beto nkan yi pa. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
We are free. Aha, we are nipa of ya yenti onwumre.
You mean medo asiko ko na le pa. Ko asile wisa. Ko na ya. But me kan say me ha ko confia. But me the fatara de ko but me the fact any flow ko 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 position. Yeah, I'm saying, so that don't make you. But, Papa, hey, yes, and you have to control if you're in a neck. Maybe person to do that. But you can't about it. Then I'm going to do that. Who want to get a big guy? And what are you going to do? What? That's what? For what? What? I didn't say one of I didn't put a young girl about to never get the doctor be a bush.
Okay.
I was about to when you go back, I haven't looked at what question. Yeah, you know when you look at it.
Okay. Oba ya na ase na ya mfo achi. Me na pepia fo pa. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
We ne be a hwe free anwumre. Nana Boate minti ovi Sankore.
You really have that na me ya di program mo ni we o kwa. Na ya ki ha ta. Now, in fact, let me get a mother to now. I could have a papa. I could stand and ma. No cutting my ear. No cutting my ear. Bring it papa. I don't mean the car or so include. That's one cutting my ear. Nothing will be the cat kind of customer politicians. He decided not much that we are for them before. Not much that we are for the yeah.
Nana ya say ya cha Sankore for. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Uni e bi a hwe free anwumre.
Hello.
Mentie wo ho ya te wonka. Uni e bi a hwe free. Asante be kwai yenti openi. Yeti okasa.
No, I told the person and program now when they're very difficult. The strength that more politics and also remove the may I set officer that the minimum about the Apple pension one more year at the amount for Senator Inga, you former canon, so no Kenya, and Mudia Dumana, if you be a pension. Now, what your pension gratuity, I didn't see a cushion will like after work. And Johnson, I think the government is not supposed to have a performance. Now, the letter I know is like a woman at 55 years.
Okay.
And we will contribute you for 5 years. But then you get 50 years because who share your most farmers now? The average farmer is around 55 years.
Okay.
And I can't also pay a lot. I don't know where you are the age of 55, 60, you can opt for pension, and as a compulsory pension, at 60. Yeah, because you are farmers, you know, when take abandoning and after the politics, no remove it. I'm sure.
Okay. Okay. Chief, right. Okay. Yes, so that's a panel input 55 years. Ekro. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Would you have a show friend? I'm gonna order being okay. Until you tell Casa.
Let's get. Yeah, but you come when you come up, then look at the second December. Yeah, because go. Sabe papai cities, that kind of papai cities. I go to Santa there because you are the same line. You give the you are the one that go. Take the card at one discount. Okay, I buy okay in the property. I got the property to be idea check with the other.
Yes, so yeah, that's it. In time you have a yes, Wadaroma. With a good rabbi, ever had me pa. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Would you have a show friend? You ring? Yes, sir.
The Department of the Kumbu concentrate the Patao Kumbu United Petrol member made up Manipa Punya when I meet our tourism minister, Michana Nahotibo and Juma after my would you have to know. Mr. Mike, all the Ghana and this for another politics, I'm a point your politics. And this to communicate and one thing I Ghana have quite yet, What trust mo green book no mo.
Okay.
I don't know what time you people are in the
Yeah, that's it. Hello, good evening. Hello. Nyame gu switch na you dey ahwe free. Okay. Yentio.
You can
Kojo bi yentio.
Papa pa ni na mfito you for politician ko bi office mic no. Say.
Say Wallace. I am politician.
Okay. No come out so. No, okay. Say how many bags who bag run the time anything after your father NPP. Not the one who come. Not the cook opportunity and cook bag na. Now we just do feet saying what is the matter the job won't get near. I was one here coming there. I'm more cook for. I'm going to share we have to sort of it and this is one more woman that is not 26 years old yet. One little country, say much that I want to reflect. Look at me, on your mind. That's it. It's all a catch up here.
Right. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Hello, good evening. Hello. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Would you ever show your friend you bring?
I tell you, Francis. The face
Francis, you ain't Vitakwa.
Madam, what did you do for the so sadly? Because I think I could imagine it. Say, we could be a funder, only to the fund managers. You enter every fund managers and Makuko for and don't you, and I say, everything you say, the government, after the time of the year, all of the one they want to get up on the work and you go and after not taking up the fund manager, they want to stop the work for and Marco and the Duke of Futiga and Tampa also. Or Marco for time, or would you say fund managers? What the vision for so that the Kenya, they're going to buy them, they will know fund managers.
Okay.
I don't know at a bunch of ya on the level. When you could do you're not very far, you're not quite.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, chat aqua phone na. Well, would you know so? Hello, good evening. Would you have your friend you bring? Inchi. Okay, Inchi you. That's what I say.
I want to have every one. It's not there. Would you ever go now? I want to body face. I would be able to face account. When you find that who know one that I put up on the telephone, pick up on top of the media. It's a look at we card the top of the now. That is the component of it is what
okay.
Who found pick up on top of the media and I will know. But that I know you are about the time body then I cannot be camera.
Okay. Okay. Bonso. All right, Bonso. Okay, now you to one more at me at the amount. And then for the one come up. Hello, good evening. Okay, Pie be fa so a akuafo no se ya anya o pede ama wo mu a de na wonya den it will affect all of us. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's it. That group, yeah, that's it. Well, yeah, Samuel. Hello, good evening. And pedophobia won't have the message be on the Bremen. No. Okay, we're free. dadeɛ so sɛhwi yɛnti ɔhene ba Okay. Right. Yeah, Nancy. Wow, just my last caller. Good evening. We need to be a friend, you mean? In Swakroom, open the NTO. All right. Okay. Right. It will cost you. Very well. Yanasi na yemfamo ensi ene kuafo ase pa mu se kuafo amohe mudo so pa dodo no aso kra na agia manya kwan antumi amfre bara de ne yiye mu pa na ye se kuafo aso mbadwu wo mu na oda no so na homache na kuafu mu oda nyuma ka ho akọ wote aso nya na otonyum wofu mu no ye adwuma na ne agide trim so mu se daachi bi kura no wo ye adwuma nyina wie na do bi no ntimi kuafu mu bi wu a enye papa bi wo ho a ono nso no onko ye bedi emfa nkom na busua mi say no tin owura na nemoni abre a omo tempente kwa akoba da bia no right Shahid Asante Kwame Wadu my academy and wo your birthday wa class 3 you wish happy birthday so and Madam Presla or Axim Girls Senior High School. It is your birthday tomorrow Saturday. Happy birthday Loretta and so Ewakumaru TV. A colleague, a friend, and a daughter. Young Rachel, happy birthday. Nyame admo china and so your birthday. And after Sir Wallace Abebiu, also so this administration Asante region. Sunday and so also birthday. Young Rachel, happy birthday. Munina no, amudi birthday. Onyame Islamu na onyamo kese pa kopimisa mbe kese pa. Yamre no enya aye emrewi yeko tiawa nana 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Wadaro me ebrusa me you good.
We need to media DC the MC for necessary so money dey obi free Western region na be raho o say ye twa me funu board ye na ban say ye nua ma be free ni
so na nkoto
ye say me nkoto asomo so aban ko pesika $600 million ye di ye say dwuma ni na
okay
what I say
ndino mpanifo ni achiri
yes
okay nana me da se yemra na abroso me da se Sawalas okay
now this year would ni say
nana me da se Sawalas
$600 million now okay e wo mu say omu di chocolate be makua for mu ma ye kwani ba papa ya ma
chocolate it was $600 million
$600 million
I will do that and then maybe next week or next time we will look at that
next week 4 September Saturday
okay next week Saturday and then function next week Friday over
last year this time
Mirasi okay Mirasi right okay Sawalas and I think Mr. Nane yako
yo we media de me kan say panyimfo no eya omonto omobo asefi say de ye kan nyina obi yeyo ma yentietia so ehunhuna ene ade ye bai kokoakuyafo ananse Ghana National Cocoa Farmers Association yenyira ban bi echi say aban we ya ye say ye run ye pe
mo ye be saying population
ye do so ye say ye twam ye ko ye register farm help ni nyina flat so we are over 500,000 now it would ye hwa asem ne say en hyehyɛ ya ye no oh nhwa so for ye no mo de ye bunu wo ye adwuma na so ye na bunu a wono de ye fa wo de ye fa mo bebrete e ya absentee cocoa farmers mo tete nkran
na wo discount for ne yamo
na officer wan na entra nwura mu nya adwuma
na wasan beje
pension ba na wa ba beje na won de wote ho na nado oje pension won nso na eje mo nsusu
ne secretary beje
because one na ye president adenti na ya mo pese mo ma yen kasa
adenti na mo pese mo kasa abusia mini ade samai ene fiada madam Eliza SHS Eliza edu inside entire crew ene fiada eche bia ami adoma
ya nyesa
Say ya kwanto ne ho hyehyɛ pade a ɛno ane Veniceburg Travel and Tour ɛyɛ dwumaku a Ghana ban ne amanonifo nyina agye atomu ɔboa ma wɔyɛ birth certificate passport na wadi wanim amoagye wo visa nso domestic and international airline ticketing deɛ wɔyɛ number 1 ɔde wobɛkɔ nkuro bi to sɛ USA Canada UK South Africa South Korea Japan Israel China Russia ɛne aman a de Schengen visa de ondwuma nyinaa so na ɔde kodura amanoni a baabi a wɔbɛda ɛne adwuma a wɔbɛyɛ nyinaa nso so ɔbɛpɛ ɛde ama adisuafo mu kosua de ɛwɔ Canada, UK, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Australia, Belarus, Switzerland, Ukraine, Russia, USA, any ama ekeka ho nyinaa nso ɔde mbɛkɔ akodura sumdue mu jojo na ɔde mu kodura emra mu sua de no nso ɔsapɛ dwuma mamu a mo yɛ dwuma mu ha bia Veniceburg Travel and Tour head office ɛwɔ Kumasi Santase ne Opokuari school ene di animhwɛ bɛkwai odoto Biriwura bank nkyɛn pɛ Brekum Continental oni Vision Hotel Junction di animhwɛ frɛyɛ ne ɛwɔ 0242 902 799 and 0502603337 Veniceburg Travel and Tour wa kwantu hu dadwene edayenso
Well